This is the journal prompt for the page with the theme of archers. These are published fortnightly on the Curio Art Journal group on Facebook, so feel free to join. The prompt offers a theme, in this case archers, suggests colour, grey, gold and walnut, offers words to use, strength, shape and support, and gives a list of techniques. Use a stencil, a colour wash, create texture, use distress techniques, add a quote or phrase, create a border. You can use any or all of these suggestions, or none at all if you prefer. The purpose of the prompts is to offer ideas. They don't have to be adhered to. They're a basis for you to experiment and have fun. I've taken a page out of my art journal and I begin by using distress inks. I'm tapping the pad on a ceramic tile, spritzing with water and dipping the edges of the paper in the ink. I'm using several colours to give a mottled effect, beginning with weathered wood, then brush corduroy mixed with walnut stain. I'm spritzing the page with a little more water to activate the distress ink a little more, before drying it with a heat gun. Heat the back of the paper too, to help flatten it out if it curls too much. Next I'm using Stays On ink on a rubber stamp of some Gothic archers. Stays On is a good ink, but it isn't taken well to this paper, so that's one lesson learnt. Next I'm using a stencil and adding more distress ink in walnut stain to create a border. I'm using yet another stencil with some homemade texture paste to add some random dots of texture. After allowing the texture paste to fully dry, I'm making an arch template from paper and drawing round it with a thick gold pen. Finally, I use a fine line pen to add my quote. An arch consists of two weaknesses, which leaning one against the other make a strength. By Leonardo da Vinci. While I don't think this is my best piece of work, it was a challenge and good practice with different techniques. This is great for discovering what works and what doesn't. If you've enjoyed this video, why not join the Curio Art Journal group on Facebook for fortnightly prompts. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so for more videos. Thanks for watching.